Not even that can stop me. Young but my heart to the core. Living my life on the road, I make money and I fuck a bag of work. So we tell them, swabby, just look on my swabby. Jump in a Gucci, jump in a Versace.
Hey yo, welcome back to another video right here on LKK Vlogs. You don't know this is a product review video. Now, weird thing is I started doing this video like, you know, a couple minutes before, and then I was like checking out my older purchase on Amazon because, like, when was it again? Let me check. Back in, I don't know, like back in June of last year, I bought a pack of boxer brief 7-pack from Amazon, and I spent, what is it, like $39.98 US on them. And the ones I'm going to be doing, like the unpackaging and just checking it out tonight, that one I bought for $17.99. Unless I'm seeing ships from and sold by Amazon itself, I ain't buying shit from nobody. Honestly, it's like looking around because like the same 7-pack, I mean, it's like some of them, they're different designs, alright? But it's still 7-pack, size medium, which is for waist 32. Like my waist is waist 32. Yeah, that's like freaking $39.98 I spent US, I spent on this. And the ones I bought in December last year cost me, that was the 18th of December, I bought them for $17.99. Ridiculous. Let me tell you who I bought the ones for. The ones that I bought for $39.98, I got them from, those were sold by Cherry Blossom Tree. Alright, now, so anyways, lagging into this review after that little upsetting thing. This was a bug on my mind for a while and I just wanted to bring it across the board, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Anyways, yo, as I was saying, 7-pack boxer brief from Foot to the Loom, shipped and sold by Amazon, so I bought this directly from Amazon, not no, you know, third party or whatever that overpriced the product. You see me? Like, yeah. I mean, I'm gonna leave the link to this product in the description area. And just like a disclaimer, this is not sponsored by Foot to the Loom, not Amazon, so you don't know. Yeah. Alright, so basically this is the package that it comes in. You understand? You got one bag of writing. I'm gonna drop it a little while, but don't watch nothing. Yes, this one here is size medium for 32-34 inch waist. And yeah, basically saying super value, more for your money. 7 tag-free boxer briefs, secure fits, leg and fly for all day comfort, 100% satisfaction guarantee, dual defense technology, whatever the heck that's supposed to be, that's supposed to mean, long lasting wicking, what the hell is that, and odor protection, keep your bowels smelling fresh. Anyways, let me see. So at the back here it says, I'm turning around like if y'all can see anything, it's so far, and my mouth is like so close to the mic. But it says, anyways, at the back it says, legs don't ride up. So basically, like when you put on your boxer briefs, like some of them, like the legs, like, you know, like roll up, can be annoying. So these don't that doesn't happen to these. Says non-binding waistbands, and it says comfort, support fly, and tag-free comfort. So you know, some underwear or even clothing in general, they have the tags on them. Like, let me see if this shirt has on the tag. Yeah, like the tag on this shirt right here. Like sometimes it can irritate people, like irritate your skin or whatever. So these don't have any tags on them. Now, as I said, I bought a set, like basically, yeah, one of these earlier up last year from the rip-off place. And I'm actually wearing one right now and I wear them on a daily. So yeah, that's all I wear. Well, not all I wear, I mostly wear boxer briefs. I wear boxers and boxer briefs, whatever. Anyways, TMI, yeah, whatever. So yeah, I've been wearing them like from since June, and yo, honestly, feels good AF. You understand? So anyways, let's open this up. Alright, so there's basically how there's a little part here, there's a flap. You just pull this up and you open it. Just in case, just when you get it and you're wondering like, how the heck am I opening this? Let me take a nice scissors and cut them up. That's like, no. Yeah. Pull up there, and then we have this one here, this color. I don't know, let me bring it a little bit further back. This is like a, what is this? Dark, this is purple. It's a dark blue purplish, some kind of color. You have this kind of mosh green or whatever. I don't even know, I just call it a random name. Some kind of green gray looking thing, or just gray. Maybe something wrong with my you know, my colors. We got this gray one here. So that's three that's three so far. Then you got this red and pink, or red stripe. You got these which are folded and not rolled up, just for packaging, that, you know, make packaging a little more easy. So you have another gray one here and another dark blue, navy blue, if you want to call it that. And then there is a solid red. So these are the colors that I got. I think that's the only colors that come with it. So you have this solid red or maroon. This is more like maroon than red, honestly. You will see the different colors. So this is more like maroon. Well, to me right now, this is the red stripe. Hey, red stripe beer. Not I'm in here number red stripe beer. If you're from the Caribbean, you won't understand what I mean. And then you have these, and yeah. Yep, so basically that's what it is. Those are all what they are. And let me just hold up. Is this the right one? Should I hold up this one? Yeah. So this is how it looks. You know what I'm saying? It looks big as crap, but it ain't that big when you put it on. It actually fits really snug for a skinny person like myself. You're saying? So yeah. And basically it feels, the material feels nice. You know, so it doesn't feel like cheap or anything like that, but come on, it's Fruit of the Loom. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, totally. I mean, it's like, this is so weird making this video. It's like, this is what I'm gonna have on. These are my drawers. These are my brand new drawers. And I'm so fresh and clean, so fresh and so clean. I probably should put that at the end of the video. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Anyways, yo, fresh and clean in my drawers. You don't know. Let's see, what do I usually do in these videos? Okay, so there you go. You see the name brand right there, Fruit of the Loom. Look at the elastic band, the elastic waist strap. You know what I'm saying? Well designed. Yes, it is. On the inside, you see, it is totally tag free. You got that Fruit of the Loom, you know, information right there, size, and, you know, information about washing and all that good stuff. This is the stitch behind it to close up the elastic band. What else? What else would you want to see? Okay then, let me just bring it right here. So you see the fly area there. See how it looks? You know what I'm saying? So like, you know, you go to the bathroom and you take out your pee-pee, come on like, ooh, look at me, I'm ready to take a pee-pee. You know what I'm saying? Like, psst, you know what I'm saying? And all that good stuff. Anyways, that's basically it. So you got this one, you got this one, and let me see, you got this, I don't even know, this is like green, a freaking gray. Yeah, this is like some green and gray looking thing. You know what I'm saying? Like whatever. And then ba ba boom. But the other colors I have, I mean, the others I have, they aren't these colors. Do I have solid colors? Yeah, I have solid colors in them. I actually have solid green and solid blue, but not this type of blue though. It's a more of a light blue. And yeah, that's basically it. Oh no, I have stripes as well, but the stripes that I have, anyway, I'm gonna put up a picture on the screen right now so you see basically the type that I also have, that I bought for practically 40 US, which is ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, anyways, that's it for this video. Sorry, I'm just looking at my computer screen monitor where I was just checking the time of the video. Yeah, that's it basically, just quick overview. As I say, what you see is what you're going to get. And if you're looking for underwear, matter of fact, any kind of product you're looking for, once you can get them sold by Amazon itself, buy them from Amazon itself. Because if you see a ridiculous price, you check to see who it's being sold from. You understand? Because then the price gonna be, you know, like you might end up basically ripping off yourself by buying a product that you could have gotten cheaper from Amazon itself. All right. But anyways, basically these they will fit good, they will feel good and all that. So yeah, as I say, not a sponsored video, so you can hold me to, you know, wherever. Anyways, yo, thanks for watching the video. Don't know, see you in the next one. Bleh.
Man, I know what done that to my heart. Can't love nobody, serve my sound dark. But just a live, baby, just a walk, okay. Just a go through if some spark.